Recording the sewer line here at 7013 19th Ave Northwest. Date's July 30th, 2020. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City mainline sewer running up and down 19th. I'm going to pull back from this point and take a look at the condition of the line. I've zeroed out the footage to get a good accurate count on the distance of the line, and we'll come back now. So we got a little bit of water running, and we are in 6-inch original to the house concrete line. So this line is shared during this section with the house to the north. So this is a shared section of 6-inch, and there is the neighboring tie-in right there. So there is where the neighbor's house ties into this line. Everything back from here is your responsibility, 7013. So we'll call it 16 feet of shared line. We're going to zero it out again and come back into the line here. All looks like 6-inch pipe to me.
Can you go all the way down?
I'm coming on my way back right now, buddy. We went all the way down. We were down in the main.
In the main road?
Main road.
Oh, jeez. This is how far.
So we're back in the concrete section now. I'm looking to see if we are in 4-inch diameter pipe or 6-inch. It is very difficult to tell, but I believe this is 4-inch pipe here. Yeah, I believe we're in 4-inch diameter pipe. Now coming back. I think it transitions to 6-inch diameter in that plastic repair. If I see something different coming back, I will make note of it. That's our 4x6 diameter change right there. Yeah. Okay, so that's our 4x6 diameter change. We're now back in 4-inch line. We'll zero that out. Now we're coming back into the 4-inch section. Could you turn the water off now? Maybe? Thank you.
Why?
Why? So I can see the line better with no water in there. And we're coming backwards now, so I shouldn't get it clogged anymore. You're a curious type guy, aren't you? It's not good. It's not good. I'm going to tell your mom on you. Thank you.
I'm going to put these in the shoes.
And coming back into plastic now, so about 40 feet of 4-inch sewer before we get back into the plastic. There's where the main stack's coming out of the house and coming back up to clean out there. So that's the end of the recording. I'm going to stop there.